Click, click, click. Every punch makes little hands stronger. Let's turn this satisfying motion into serious grip strength. Hole punching is a powerful way to strengthen your child's grip and improve control, skills they will use in writing, cutting, and everyday tasks. Start by showing your child how to hold the punch with their whole hand and squeeze to punch a hole in the paper. Try along a line, a row of dots, or freestyle for fun. Start with soft paper or thinner card. Support the paper on a flat surface if your child struggles to hold both. To challenge your child, ask them to follow a pattern, punch on each dot, around a shape, or even create their own design. It's more than just a fun click. It's a workout for writing and fine motor control. Let's keep punching with purpose.